Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Muhammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is first look Microsoft Teams for Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. As Windows 11 just got released, there are a lot of things which got improved, or you can say which got some changes, and Microsoft Teams is one of them. If you remember, earlier we had to download Microsoft Teams in our Windows 10, but now Microsoft has improved one thing, and that is Microsoft Teams is available by default in our Windows 11 now. As you can see on your screen, we have an icon of chat here. Well, this is the one improvement, or you can say which is one of the feature which have been added with Microsoft Teams. First of all, Microsoft Teams is available by default, means it is pre-downloaded. As you can see here, it is available in here, and along with that we have chat here, and that is the highlight of Microsoft Teams for Windows 11. If I click on my chat here, or you can also press your super key and your C key. So just press Windows plus C and chat will open. I will just click on this icon, and here you can see we have a pop-up box on our screen. Well, we all know in the pandemic, Microsoft Teams got very prominent in the education sector. Means a lot of universities, schools and colleges were using Microsoft Teams as a mean of communication with their students. The corporate sector, or you can say the business sector, was not as involved with this tool. They were still using a lot of other means of communication, and Microsoft Teams was not one of them. So Microsoft Teams has changed their policy and have included the chat, as you can see on your screen now. So what you can do here, you can start chatting with your members without opening your Microsoft Teams. As you can see here, I have logged in with my account, and as I have told you that Microsoft Teams have emphasized on the corporate sector this time, and that is why you cannot log in into this one with your school or with your college account. Means you have to use your some other account. Other than that, here you can see we have a button which says sync. Well, this is the same account which I am using in my mobile, and that is why it is giving me the option of sync. So what it will do now, it will get all the contacts from my phone and it will sync them in here, and everyone having Microsoft Teams will appear here. And now what I can do, I can just start chatting with any one of them. And as you can see here, I have two options. First one is meet and second one is chat. But before going into this one, I will just click on any of my contacts, and here you can see we are good to go and we are good to start our chatting. It is just like any other chatting, just like we do on Skype, Scala, or we do on WhatsApp. Here we can attach different things, we can attach emojis, we have GIFs, and along with that we can have different polls into our chats as well. I'll just close this one, I'll again open my chats here, and this time I'll click on meet. Other than that, we have one more really good option, and that is down here we have an option which says open Microsoft Teams. If I just click on it, it has just opened the Microsoft Teams for us, and this also got a lot of changes in terms of user interface. And here you can see we have activity. Well, we all know what the activity means. Here we will have all the feeds and latest update in our Microsoft Teams account. It means if you got any new message, you will see it here. If anyone has reacted to your message, or if anyone has added a new file into any Teams into your Microsoft Teams, you will see all the updates in this activity section. And then obviously we have the chat section in here, and here we have all the contacts, and down here we have sync and invite to Teams option, and obviously we can invite our team members and our friends to Microsoft Teams. And now if I click on any of my contacts here, and here you can see I have same things which I were able to perform into my chats. And here we have one more option, and that is what we can do. We can invite different people from here into our Microsoft Teams, and then they will be able to join us and we will be able to have chat. If I just close this one, I want to show you one more thing, and that is Here you can see we have two options. First one is chat and second one is file. So what you can do, you can upload different files and you can share them with your team members. And last option which is available here is calendar. Well, that is a really cool one and you might have an idea that what it is all about. Here you can create different meetings and you can schedule them. For example, I want to have a meeting on 21st of October at 4 p.m. What I will do, I will just click on it and I will schedule a meeting on that date. I can add the title, I can have the time frame here, and after that I can have different other things here. Here we have an option which says does not repeat. Mean if we want this meeting to be repeated every week or we want this meeting to be conducted only once. So we can select anything from here. And other than that, we have add location and we can add different notes related to this meeting. After that, just click on save. Now, what we can do from here, we can copy this link and we can share this with any of our contacts. And anyone with Microsoft Teams will be able to join this meeting, and those who does not have the Microsoft Teams installed and downloaded into their systems or mobile, they will be given a link to download Microsoft Teams and then they will be able to join this one. And other than that, you have the Google Calendar option. One thing is very important here, and that is everything which you have at your Outlook account will be synced here. So in case if you have Google Calendar and you have Outlook account into this one, it will get shared onto the Google Calendar with your Outlook account. How cool is that? I will just close this one and I will just close this one. And I hope now you must have learned a lot of new things and you must be excited to use this new Microsoft Teams and its chat feature. And if that is the case, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon along with it. If you have anything to ask, please leave a comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next video, take care.